a good old truck here. I actually drove it for 10 years. It was just flat black and lowered, and heck, I hauled tractors and everything in it. I'm co-owner of Autocraft Auto Body in Angola, Indiana. Been around this stuff all my life. Did a complete restoration on it, frame off, painted the frame, got lowering kit on it, 355 motor with a supercharger. Got a lot of your guys' parts on there, you know. Picking the color out. Once I figured that color out and stuff, started to paint parts and it started coming together. That was the fun part. Yeah, all the grease and the sweat and stuff, getting it to this point, you know, and putting it together, definitely fun. And coming to shows like this, I'm gonna take it out and autocross it some here in a little bit. Have some fun with it. Kind of seeing these days, it doesn't seem like the younger kids are getting into it. I wish they would, and just, you know, if they see something they like, just get a cool project. There's some old guys out there that'll help you, you know. Just get after it, get greasy, get dirty.